Now, before we jump into this haul, guys, we must do 2 shout outs. Yes, the first shout out goes to Tennille. Tennille decided to use my Ibotta referral code, and I appreciate you so very much. And the next person that I must shout out is Jenna. Jenna decided to use my Ibotta referral code. Thank you so very much. Now, if I pronounced your names wrong, please charge it to my mouth and not my heart, okay? But let me know in the comments below if I said it correctly or incorrectly. So in case I see you guys in the live, I'm shouting you out correct. All right, let's jump into it. First rebate I did was on the All Oxy laundry detergent, priced $2.97 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.97 in store. But there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 97 cents. So on the Google document in the description box of this video, I only have it on there one time for purposes of breakdown, but I did actually get 3, okay? Because they had 3 left in the store, and that's what I got because I wanted to max it out. You can do it as much as 5 times, but since my store only had 3, I only got 3, okay? Now, the next rebate I decided to do was on the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Length Retention. I have to get the name of it right. This is a natural hair product, or it was in the natural hair product section. This is a pretty good sized jar, priced $6.77. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $6.77 in store. But there is a $3 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $3.77. I think that's a good deal, guys. I've been looking for that product. They do not carry it at my normal Walmart that I do my Ibotta hauls. The next rebate I did, guys, was on the Krispy Kreme mini crullers. Okay, this is a lemon flavor. Yes, that sounds really yummy. They were priced $3.88 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.88 in store. But there is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $3.38 for the lemon flavor. This is a limited time lemon. Yeah. Next rebate, guys, was called a Coca-Cola brands rebate. So this is what's pictured on the rebate. These were priced $1.88 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.88 in store. There is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.63. It's for the Mellow Yellow single bottle. Next rebate, guys, was on the Fanta soda. Okay, this was priced $1.88 as well. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $1.88 in my Walmart. But there is another 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.63 for the Fanta soda. I think this is a good little, simple, easy rebates that you guys can do to get your bonuses for your weekend warrior and things of that nature. You're not paying a lot out of pocket. Easy to do, especially for the newbies that may not have a bunch of coupons. Next rebate was a great rebate, which is the Werther's Originals. Okay, these were the Werther's Originals caramels, priced $2.18 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $2.18 in store, but there's actually a $2.18 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost absolutely free for the chewy caramels for the free candy. Come through, Ibotta. We like free candy. I like free stuff, period, but I like free candy. Next rebate I did was on the Lola Ultra Thin Pads with Wings this time, guys. And this time they were priced $2.53 in my Walmart, which was a good deal. There was not a coupon that I had, but I had to pay $2.53 in store. That's okay, because there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.53 for the Lola pads. These have wings, and there is actually 6 in here. Okay, the reason why these are special product is because they are made with 100% organic cotton, guys. Next product, guys, was on the Snuggle Super Care. You know how I feel about my Snuggle, okay? It was priced $3.97 for the Snuggle liquid conditioner. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.97 in store. There's a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.97. Yes. Next rebate, guys, I did was on the Carbona Stain Devils, and I got this one this time. This is grass, dirt, and makeup. I don't think I have this one. This is priced $2.28 in my Walmart. No coupon, so I had to pay $2.28 in store. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.28. This is a great deal and a great product that does work. Okay. Next rebate, guys, was the Snuggle Exhilarations. Okay, this is another fabric conditioner or fabric softener, and it's priced $3.97 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.97 in store. There's a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.97. Now, when I did these rebates before, I did have a $1 paper coupon from coupons.com. That's gone. There was a limit of 1. So if you still have that, make sure that you use that. Or you may have one on coupons.com that you can clip on the app and then they give you the money later. So that's always an option for you guys. But I have exhausted both of those avenues, okay? Y'all know I'm on vacation, so I wasn't able to print coupons from different places because Crystal just hadn't been on her coupon game this week. I'm on vacation, okay? So the next rebate I did was the Snuggle Super Care again. This is the 105 sheets of the fabric softener sheets, which is a great product, $3.97. No coupon, so I had to pay $3.97 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.97. Yes. Now, when I did this the other day, there was a Snuggle bonus that did actually work. I do believe I got credit for a Snuggle bonus. So I don't know if you guys have gotten credit for that, but I've already done it, so I can't get it again. Next rebate, guys, was on the Snuggle Exhilaration Dryer Sheets. This is the 70 count, priced $2.97. Didn't have a coupon, so I paid $2.97 in store. There's a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.97. Next rebate, guys, was on the scent boosters for the Snuggle Exhilarations. Price $3.97 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.97 in store. But there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.97. Great product. Got all this great Snuggle, guys. Next rebate, guys, was on my V8 Splash. And yes, I got the mango again. Okay, because I like it. Now, the V8 Splash is priced $1.84 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.84 in store. It's only a 25-cent Ibotta rebate this time, but that's okay because it's $1.59. It's a non-refrigerated juice initially, so I can just put this in my pantry, and I'm just stocking up on juice, okay? Yes. Next rebate, guys, was on the Ajax dishwashing liquid. Priced $1.67. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $1.67 in my Walmart. But there is a 25-cent Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.42 for the Ajax. Now, this is a 28-ounce bottle, so I think that is a good deal. Next rebate was on the soft soap hand soap again, priced $1.98. No coupon did I have, so I had to pay $1.98 in store, but there is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making the cost $1.48 for the antibacterial soft soap hand soap. Great deal, guys. Now, these little things right here, y'all know, these are so addictive to me, and my husband tried them today, and he was like, yeah, they are good. So the Fruitella little gummies are priced $2.28 in my Walmart. Didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.28 in store, but there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.28 for the Fruitella gummies. Yummies. That's what I'm gonna call them, yummies. Now, unfortunately, for this next rebate, I did not have my coupons.com coupon with me, but that's okay. The M&Ms, now the little M&Ms, these are at the register M&Ms, priced 88 cents each. For this rebate, you must purchase 2, okay? So they were priced $1.76 for the 2, no coupon, so I had to pay $1.76 in store. There's a 50 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.26. When I did this the other day, I actually had a 50-cent off of 2 coupons.com coupon in my book, but you know what? I didn't even bring my book in this time in the store. I wasn't playing. I was getting in and getting out, because the crazy thing was, Ibotta had gave me one of those icon, you pick your choice bonuses. It was a $5 bonus. I had picked it and not realizing how soon that thing expired. Like, I was like, what? So you guys be careful of those rebates, that they have a short lifespan. So you don't want to mess around and forget about it and be like, oh, I'm gonna go to the store tomorrow. And then your bonus goes away and then you don't get to stack your bonuses. Okay, keep that in mind. Next rebate, guys, I decided to do was a snack drawer rebate. This is going in the snack drawer in the kitchen. The Rice Krispie treats. The Rice Krispie treat bar is the price $1.18 in my Walmart. No coupon did I have, so I had to pay $1.18 in store, but there is a 25-cent rebate coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost 93 cents for the Rice Krispie treat bars. Now, these little $1 and $2 rebates, guys, that's really low out of pocket. I promise you, you can do these. Get your weekend warrior bonuses and let those bonuses be stacking up and get you some extra coupon money, honey. Okay. Next rebate, guys, was on the Palmers. This is a hair product found in the natural hair product section as well. Now, this one is called the Moisture Boost Grow Treatment. Okay. This is priced at $3.88 in my Walmart. No coupons. I had to pay $3.88 in store, but there is a $2 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.88. Now, I also did happen to have a any item 10-cent rebate, guys. So, anytime you have those, you always want to click and throw them in there for that extra 10 cents. Them 10 cents add up. All right, guys, let's talk about the numbers. What did it cost? $63.75 was the total of everything that I got. I did this over 3 transactions, guys. Yes, I did separate my stuff. Had absolutely no coupons. I did redeem 2 $5 Shopkick gift cards, which dropped my cost down to $53.75. Now, what did I get back from Ibotta in actual rebates? $27.28. That dropped it down to $26.47. And then I had 2 bonuses that were stacking. I had the $3 weekend warrior bonus for doing 15 rebates. And I also had a reward choice bonus for $5 for completing 20 rebates. So those 2 bonuses stacked together, and that was great, dropping my cost down to $18.47. I had 22 items, which comes out to 84 cents a piece. I think that is a great deal, guys. It's Ibotta money. I'm just rolling Ibotta money, getting all this lovely product, getting Snuggle wasted. Okay. Guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you are not utilizing Ibotta, Shopkick, Fetch Rewards, why not? What are you waiting on? I don't understand. That's all I can say about it, because even if you don't want to be an extreme couponer, because I consider myself to be an extreme couponer, if you want to just be a casual couponer and you just want to save money as you do your normal shopping, you should, at the minimum, I recommend that you get the Ibotta app, because there is so many products on Ibotta that I promise you guys, you're going to be buying anyway. Look at the fact that I was able to get 97-cent laundry detergent. I mean, seriously. And the great thing that I will say about Ibotta is the fact that you're getting your money so quickly back from Ibotta. When I do Walmart hauls, I can literally go to the car or walking out the store, scan my receipt, and before I get to the car out the parking lot, they've already given me the money. I mean, it's so simple, like seriously. So if you guys have not joined Ibotta, I recommend that you do so. My referral code is in the description box of this video, guys, because it will take your couponing to a whole other level, okay? I promise you it will, though. It will, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. And remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Shout out to all my lovely people, all my loyal riders that come on here and watch my videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share my videos. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you so very much. Please know that Couponing Crystal appreciates your support so very much. Hopefully these rebates will give you some ideas of some things that you can go to Walmart and get those bonuses this weekend, accomplish those weekend warrior bonuses and knock it out and get you some extra coupon money, okay? That's it, guys. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.